Income disparity between high-income earners and low-income earners keeps increasing annually. According to World Bank reports, estimated 40% of national wealth in leading world economies like us and UK are owned by approximately 10% of the total population. The hardest thing in building wealth is making the first million, but after making the first million, it becomes rather easy to become a billionaire, since at this point your money will work for you. Achieving financial freedom is the dream of many households, and the concept of residual income is one of the simplest ways to make this dream turn a reality, as evidenced by the story-leading billionaires like Bill Gates, Oprah Winfrey and Warren Buffett. This article relating to residual income seeks to answer the question, what is residual income? Residual income is the money an individual is paid long after rendering a certain good or service. After setting in place the business that earns residual income, one is free to do other things, like starting another business while still making money from the first venture. Royalties one earns from registering an intellectual property, like a song, book, method of production or software, are examples of residual income. Detailed illustration of other types of residual income will be outlined in the following article in these series. A distinction is made between residual income and active income in that for one to earn active income, you must work for it at the present time. In an employment contract, for example, one gets paid for the number of hours, such that if one works for 40 hours a week, you are entitled to salary. Basing on the 40 hours, if one gets a promotion, it implies that you can earn more and work less, but even so, there is a requirement of being involved in the workplace in order to earn. Residual income, on the other hand, is a great way to make money without having to work or being involved directly, which is a fantasy to many people. One may wonder, how can I make money without entirely working for it? The residual income myth gives an explanation to this. Indeed, it is not realistic to expect to earn money without putting in any input. If that was the case, billionaires like Richard Branson would have stopped working a long time ago and be somewhere in a beach relaxing. The truth, however, is that you have to play a role. You are required to play an active role in management, supervision and in making key strategic decisions to ensure that survival and competitiveness of the business improves. Leaving everything to the managers is a risky decision, since their wrong judgment can be costly to the business. For instance, look at the monthly and annual reports, at the very least, to access how well it is performing. Similarly, a landlord must constantly keep in touch with the real estate agencies. Thus, residual income is not really easy money, as one may think, but some level of input is still required to keep the income stream coming. The level of involvement, however, is lower compared to active income. Most middle-income earners wonder how to build wealth using the concept of residual income. Though this article has used world-leading billionaires as examples, it does not mean as a middle or lower-income earner you cannot build your wealth. The key to be successful in doing this is to mobilize other people's talents, skills and time and combine with the right resources, which is money, to build the residual income. This starts with having a potentially profitable business idea, then investing in it. Your idea must be a product that can be bought over a long period of time. These products are numerous and can range from real estate business, offering professional services, producing a book, movie or song, among others. The next article in this series will give a detailed description on how to identify and invest in such ideas.